Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use XLOOKUP. But before we move on to that, let me show you what we have been already doing. Right, so I need to find the salary of these departments and this is my data. Usually we use VLOOKUP to do this, and we select the range, we select the lookup value, then we select the table array or the range where we need to find the data, and then we'll have to give the column index number, basically referring to from left to right which column I need the data from, right? So in this case, human resource, the department is in the first column, the department, but we need the monthly salary, which is in E column, that is 1 2 3 4 5. So we'll have to press 5. This is the fifth column, and I need an exact match. I can either give false or I can give 0, and it will give me the lookup value for all the departments if I copy paste the formula, right? Here's a catch that if I go, at each cell, I'll go down, you will see that the range selection is also going down. So what we need to do is select the table array and press F4, which will freeze my entire range. And now if I copy paste the entire formula and see maybe from the last row, you'll see the range is still the same. That is the A4 and F24 is the range across the columns. Even if you keep on dragging the formula, the overall range is not going to go down as it was going earlier. So I think you already know this baby stuff of how to do this and work on with the VLOOKUP stuff, right? I'm here to show you how to work with XLOOKUP and why XLOOKUP is better. So the same way we'll do it, we'll find the lookup value, we'll select that, we'll select the column that we need to have that data array, and then only select the output array that we want to search the data from, and that's it. So here we go. This was quite simple, but hold on, this is not the only benefit that XLOOKUP gives you. Suppose you have a department column in here. Instead of from left to right, you have the department column here, and you need to get the monthly salary for each. Now you can already see this formula has gone for a toss. Anyhow, I'll remove this VLOOKUP. I need to select this here. Now I will select the entire range, and the department is on the extreme right, but I want the monthly data, which is maybe on, I would say, -3, I can say, considering this as 0, there's 1, -1, -2, -3. If I go ahead like this, I need exact match. Okay, so it does not work, right? This is one of the limitations of VLOOKUP. But if we use XLOOKUP in this case also, it is going to work very beautifully. And most of the time what I do is, instead of selecting this range, if I am dealing with one column itself, I just select the overall column. By doing this, I need not freeze the columns or the range that I used to do earlier. So I have selected the array, and then I'll select the column which will give me the return value, that is the monthly salary, and that's it. I can get the entire data. But hold on, XLOOKUP does not only give you this feature, it also has more to offer. Suppose we have a new department, and let's say that is finance, and you see it's not there. Basically, if you see over here the department, we do not have a finance department here, right? We do have an accounting department, but not a finance department. So what we will do is, in case XLOOKUP, what it offers is basically, if I am not having that data, and if that data is not found, I can give a prefixed text or a message, or I can inbuilt a further formula in that, which will be an advanced thing to show, but let me show you how it works right now. So instead of getting this error message or the NA message, I can give department not found, and Now if I extend the formula, you will see it shows the finance department. Since it is not there in the array, it is displaying that message that department not found. Yet again, XLOOKUP does not offer only this. There is a lot more into it, but we'll cover that in maybe next video. Thanks for watching it.